Playing with fire. Understanding toy with danger in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, toy with danger. This phrase is not only vivid but also packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Toy with danger is an idiomatic expression in English. It means engaging in risky, dangerous, or potentially harmful behavior, but treating it lightly or without the seriousness it deserves. Imagine playing with a toy. It's usually carefree and without concern. Now, replace that toy with something dangerous. That's what this phrase captures: a casual or reckless attitude towards danger. This phrase likely originated from the literal action of playing or toying with something. Over time, it evolved to convey a metaphorical meaning. Toy with danger is often used to describe actions where someone knowingly takes risks, sometimes for thrill or excitement, and sometimes due to ignorance or overconfidence. It's a versatile phrase, used in both formal and informal contexts, such as literature, movies, and everyday conversation. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. He was toying with danger when he decided to go swimming during the storm. Here, the person is engaging in a risky activity, swimming in a storm, without acknowledging the potential harm. 2. The spy movie showed the protagonist toying with danger as she infiltrated the enemy base. This illustrates someone knowingly facing danger, typically for a thrill or a significant purpose. 3. In a broader sense, companies that ignore environmental regulations are toying with danger. This implies that these companies are engaging in risky behavior that could lead to serious consequences. Understanding phrases like toy with danger is crucial for English learners because it helps in grasping the subtleties of the language. Such phrases add color and depth to communication, allowing you to express ideas more vividly and understand the nuances in conversations, literature, and media. I hope this video has shed light on the intriguing phrase, toy with danger. Remember, idiomatic expressions are a window into the culture and thinking patterns of a language. So, keep learning and exploring. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English language insights. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.